and thank you so much for joining us for Yay, Let's Read. The book we'll be reading today is a series by Jill McDonald from Hello World. Birds. Birds are all around us, soaring in the sky, singing in the trees, hopping on the ground. Do you see all the birds? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 birds and 1 egg. Cock-a-doodle-doo! A rooster starts the day with his loud call. A rooster is a male chicken. A female chicken is called an hen. Peck, peck, peck. Look at that woodpecker. A woodpecker beak is strong and pointy. And this noisy woodpecker is looking for food inside a tree trunk. And that's what they do. A duck swims on the pond with her babies. Quack! Paddle, paddle, paddle. Let's count how many little ducklings. And that's what a baby duck is called. 1, 2 with his little head under the water. 3 and 4. 4 little ducklings. Pigeons like to live in loud city. Honk, honk. Pigeons often build nests on window ledges and bridges. They like to nest up high. But flamingos love to flock quietly together near the water. And flamingos often stand on one leg. Ooh, that sounds exhausting. And what do you see in the treetops of the warm jungle? It's a toucan with a bright rainbow beak. Ooh, how beautiful. And toucans make their nest in hollowed out trees. Brrr! Penguins live in the cold. They can't fly, but they love to swim. The penguin can swim faster than any other bird. Ostriches also cannot fly, but they can run, run, run. The ostrich is the world's fastest bird. Woo! And the hummingbird may be tiny, but it flies fast forward and backwards. And they're called hummingbirds because their fast wings make a humming noise. And peacocks have beautiful colored tail feathers. What colors do you see? Did you know only the male peacocks have bright colored tails? Look at that. Yellow and blue and indigo. Green. So beautiful. Hoo! Hoo! Owls can see in the dark. An owl sleeps all day and stays awake all night. Good night, owl. The end. If you enjoyed this book by Hello World, please join us again by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.